The city of Ormoc. Headed by the city mayor, Honorable Lucy Torres Jones. Commonly said members, Honorable Zabal, Honorable Edmund B. Carroll, Honorable Thomas Serafita, ex-official SP member and chapter president of the Liga ng mga Barangay ng Ormoc, Honorable Esteban V. Lorente, and Honorable Jana Aika T. Calixto, ex-official SP member. School Division Superintendent, Dr. Carmelina P.
Glory to our faithfulness. Welcome to our city. Welcome to our home. For the next 6 days, Baybay will be your home and playing field. Among the finest athletes, only the best and true champions will prevail. On free weight class division of the Central Visayas.
As he passes the torch to the bearer, see and reign of our
Thank you.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our city officials. We're headed by the
the Ormoc City Mayor, the Honorable Lucy Torres Gomez. City Vice Mayor, the Honorable Leo Carmelo L. Luxine Jr.
Together with our sangguniang panglungsod, we have Attorney Arid G. Lavasabal.
Together with the Honorable Dr. Edmond B. Carroll.
You have given Ormoc City delegation. I know it's not easy, di pa asa yung mag-host, no? But I know that this is what we see now.
So are we. Pero honestly, kinalan ko. I just want to, there's nothing that I did not tell our athletes that we did not say. Warriors, sibaw na mo sa inyong buhatunon. Especially what Kong says, no, na we've prepared for this. All you have to do is go out and win. Show them that we are the champions. Kaya alam mo ni, gira mo ni. No, so, but I always tell them that when they trophy, I'm very proud. We are very proud of all of you. We've given you, hinumdumi, tayo sa seminar, biya tadaan ha? Pila ka book gold medal inyong dadon? Last time, 249 man to, di ba?
Sa ating school head, Miss Palaspas, mayang gabi sa mga teachers dire. Good evening. Labi na sa atong mga athletes, no? Atong mga warriors sa Ormoc City. Kumusta man mo? Okay? So, ugma, kinsay magsugod na sa duwa, ugma. Sa event? Baseball? Okay. Kamo? Basketball? O volleyball di ay? Okay. You were given proper training. Ayaw ng mga coaches, eksakto. Remember, karong panahon na dili lang Ormoc na ay mga national coaches. Hasa ang kontra na to, gibuhat na nila ang gibuhat na to. Hasa sila na kuha sila mga national coaches para mas ligon ang ilang mga players. So this year, expect na ang atong competition will be very strong. So prepare ang inyong kaugalingon. Anda mo, kinala mag-focus mo sa inyong duwa. Never give up. I want to see you play hard. Kaya gusto na mo tanan, nila mayor, nila vice mayor, sa atong tanan ng mga konsehal, gusto na mo magdala mo og gold sa inyong mga events. Okay? Pangutanan na ako, kaya ba ninyo? Isa pa, kaya ba ninyo? Pag sure on. Ha? You are all ready. Hasa ang ato mga teachers, gitutuan sila to coach you well. So, sa inyong hard, you focus well, and you win. Okay? Kanya, always be grateful. Pasalamat na sa ato mga teachers dire. No? Sa baybay, kang mayor, kang congressman Kari, kang mampalaspas sa mga teachers nato dire. Sus, mga guwapa, mga kusog mga naon. 80%. Thank you so much. I know, kay Bonako na ang mga students namin dire sa Ormoc will have a wonderful time dire sa inyong eskwela. So thank you so much for welcoming us. Thank you so much for taking care of Ormoc City. Daghang salamat. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Ormoc, let's win it, okay?
The token. So the certificate of appreciation is given to Ma'am Sarah B. Makawili for her school's generosity in warmly accommodating the Ormoc Siglar elites during gratitude for the genuine hospitality extended to our delegation. Such support has been instrumental.
On the attention of the whole teaching staff of Caridad National High School, also with Caridad Elementary School in Hilapnitan. Bless everyone. And now for the teaching